Hi everyone, Michael here from Product One. It's a privilege to showcase this video for you guys. So on my side, I'm a PLM application engineer. So last quarter we launched our web series. We started our YouTube channel, which is called Product One. You guys are welcome to go and subscribe there. You will also see that we launched already a few videos last quarter that Tulani did on augmented reality, on things like additive manufacturing, product insight in Creo. There's a lot of information there. Please go and subscribe. You won't be disappointed. So this quarter we will focus a bit on the PLM side, the product lifecycle management side. And today I'm going to start off and jump right into a topic that's very close to my heart. It's a topic we call PTC Navigate. Some of you might have heard about it. It's a topic that can really make your company so much more productive, make it very easy for people outside of engineering to find the relevant information that they need. So I'll be showcasing some of the out-of-the-box applications today to try and keep it as short and simple as possible, and really show you, for people that not working inside the engineering department, to go and see how easy it is for them to go and find the right and relevant information. Also, from an administrative perspective, it's very easy to maintain and manage these apps and to provide the necessary authorization to the right people in your company. So first of all, you can see on my screen that I've got all the apps out of the box already available. So again, I'm just going to showcase some of them for time's sake. So the first app that you can see here is what we call the View design file. So this app would typically be used for people to download a Creo file, for instance, or any design file. And then we've got a View drawing app, which is one of our more popular apps. So let's say you work in the manufacturing department. So people in the manufacturing department end up running to the engineering department in today's world to go and find the latest relevant drawings. And in some instances, the drawings are outdated. They use the outdated drawings to start the manufacturing process. That could cost a company a lot of money. So in this case, if someone in the manufacturing department had something like PTC Navigate, it would be very easy for them to access the View drawing app, which is almost like an app with same as on your phone, where they can just open the app on their screen, and they can view any information that they've searched recently, or type or search for a previous item that they've seen or want to see in the Windchill platform. So first of all, let's open the top level assembly. It will launch a PDF file that's linked to the drawing automatically, and you can see the drawing is being shown in here. So the same with the drawing, the guy can print it out, or you can use it and start the manufacturing process from here. You can view all the details on the drawing as needed and see the information on the drawing. So this is very easy to use. Also, you can change some of the formats that it downloads. So you can see, for instance, there's some formats like a DXF file, a PLT, a PDF. So you can change what type of format you want them to see. Then also, a popular app is, let's say, for someone that's a manager in the company and needs to view the 3D models, not engineer them or make them, but physically view them, give feedback, do an annotation, maybe do a measurement or so on. That person would typically be able to launch the visualization app. So again, this launches the Creo View capabilities that we have, and the Creo View capabilities is very quick and easy to use. Now, I'm not going in too much detail regarding this, but you can see it has launched the actual model for me, where I can go and view the model, spin it around, do certain functionality like measurement, markups, change some of the informations that's needed. Maybe let's say there's remodify this little part here, this headlamp. Okay, and you can save this back, and the guys in the engineering department might get a notification to go and modify the headlamp or whatever the case might be. So there's a lot of things that you can do in Creo View, and it's very, very beneficial for people outside of engineering that needs to actually go and modify the data as needed. So the next app that I want to show is the Viewports list. So the Viewports list is a list of the actual model that you can see. So I just want to show you the search functionality as well. I've clicked a few times on things that I've searched in the past, but you can go and search for specific parts as well. So let's say I know the name or the number, it brings up the actual tire that I've searched for, where you can go and open that tire, and it will show all the information that's relevant to that specific specific assembly. So now in this parts list, you can have drawings that's linked to it showcased here, and you can open the drawings directly from here. Also, you can add any parameters or attributes that's populated from Creo to Windchill, add them in here and chop and change this as needed. So typically you can also go, in this case I've added mass. You can add material types like steel, aluminium, so you can see all of the parameters from Creo right in this parts list, view them necessary, and also see a little thumbnail with attributes linked to it in my parts list. Also, you can switch between your apps in this little bar here, or you can go back to your main app where all the apps are being showcased. So also the Viewports structure app is very popular. So let's open the top level assembly, which is the motorcycle in this case, and you can see the viewport structure opens up. It views my actual model in here, which is loaded, where you can go and spin this and view this as well. And you can right click or click on any part in the list, and it will highlight the part on the left hand side. The same if I click on the left hand side, it will highlight my part on the right hand side, and again it will bring up some attributes with actual information in here. And then very interesting what we've done, which is not out of the box, but it's the capabilities that we can enable with PTC Navigate, is things like we can pull information directly from your ERP database. Yes, you've heard correct, from your ERP database. So what I've done in this case is I've added a column in here which I've modified or customized on our ThingWorks platform. Okay, and we have done an item number which pulls from the ERP system the cost and the actual inventory number that's available. So if I select and change, it will pull the latest relevant information that's needed. So let's go to the top one. You can see I've got cost enabled here and inventory, and it pulls that information. So for somebody that needs to have ERP information, he can view it right from PTC Navigate. He can view his PLM information and his ERP information, and pulling it from the separate databases into PTC Navigate. So PTC Navigate runs from ThingWorks. ThingWorks is our IoT platform. Okay, and you can see the logo at the bottom as well, and we do use the ThingWorks platform to enable these apps for the rest of the company and the departments to view the information. Then on the last bit is the view documentation. So for somebody, let's say in marketing, let's say they're running a marketing campaign, but they need the latest documentation on a motorcycle, you can easily view it as a marketing person and open your actual documentation and view the information that's needed for your marketing campaign. So you don't need to run to different departments to find the relevant information. You can do this quick and easily and get the information that you need. Right, so next up what I want to show you is on the admin side. Also quickly, you can go and modify it. So I'm logged in as an administrator, so you've got a role. So let's say you can enable different roles out of the box. You've got a role like a manufacturing role or a purchasing role. So let's say we go to the manufacturing role to change the apps that they are able to see. So I've logged in as an admin, as a manufacturing person in this case. You can see there's the different users' name. So he's got access to these 6 apps at this point. So for me as an admin, I can go and disable some of the apps. So let's say he doesn't need to download drawings, he only needs to view drawings, no visualization, he needs to view the part structure. So you can enable only these 2 apps, and when he goes back and refreshes and logs in with his profile, he will only have access to those 2 apps. So it's very easy as an admin to enable the different departments per role to have the relevant access as needed. And then also very important, as an admin, you can go and change the search filters, so I can make sure people can view on only a certain lifecycle state. So in most cases, let's say for a manufacturing person, they might only be able to view the latest information. So you can go and change this very easily and make sure they can view per those filters that you set. Also, you can do saved filters. You can change which file types they can search on, for instance, if it's a CAD part or a WT part. Also, it depends on what your needs is in your company, but it's very configurable for you, and it's very easy for you as an admin to make sure that people view the right information through the right apps and getting the information that they need. So this is a solution that will really enable your company and the people in your company to find the right information quick and easy with no training needed, and making it easy for them to get the work done that they need to do and be more productive. Guys, this is all from my side. please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Product One, to receive regular updates. You won't be disappointed. We're very excited about our products, our solutions, and greetings here from Product One, and may you all have a very, very productive day. Thank you and goodbye.